Hi, my name is Ryan Gottfried. I'm from Winnipeg, Manitoba, and I play defense. Probably like Wayne Gretzky. I'd probably be putting up a lot of points while playing with him. I do not think pineapple belongs on pizza. I'm a big golfer. Sometimes good, sometimes bad. I like to play good, but not all the time. Probably when we score a goal, it's just the crowd just erupts and there's no other feeling than something like that. It's got to be on all four legs. It'd just look weird if there's only pads on two of the legs. Definitely have to act like Coolbert for the rest of my life. I just really wouldn't want to dress like him for the rest of my life. So.